All right, we are standing in front of this little baby McLaren right here. Really clean car. This has been wrapped. As you can see, it's a beautiful satin dark gray colorway we did a long time ago. This car has returned for maintenance work, tires, that kind of thing. And you know, not every day here we're doing body kits, wide bodies, wraps, whatever. We're also doing maintenance stuff, which is very, very important for your car. So oil changes, tires, suspension work, exhaust work, anything, diagnostics, check engine lights, whatever. You don't want to go to the dealer, you're out of warranty, whatever. You can bring it here, very reasonable pricing, and we are able to diagnose and fix these McLarens as well as any other car, any exotic car, regular car, whatever. So the lifter is up. I told Hank, why is it up? But he said when you turn it off, it goes up by itself. It must be a setting. But there you have it. Don't judge us by the lifter. But this car looks pretty cool.
I'm just jealous.
Well, jealous of what? You freaking noodle? Noodle head? Looks like Cal licked it. Bro, you gotta let it go, man.
You guys are jealous because you don't have these coming down like that. See, here's a straight curl. If you wanted to curl it, you can't even do it.
When are you gonna let it go?
I don't know.
It looks like the 101 and 134 freeway. He's hiding behind me. And he's touching me.
All right, guys, we got a Porsche Targa right here. This car's in for some check engine light issue. Diagnosed it. It has a leaking fuel pump detection, and we're changing basically that little pump. This car, everything's covered up, so you got to find it. Found it in the front bay right there, because remember, the gas cap is on that front fender. So the fuel tank system, stuff like that is all in that corner. Right now, Javier is gonna remove that old little pump and he's gonna change it, and then his car will be back to good. Something like this at the dealer, probably around 1,500 to 2 grand. Here at RDB, it's more closer to about 800 bucks. Hey guys, so the Porsche Targa is done now. Finished it up, honestly, about a 20 to 30 minute job, and the customer stayed here while we did it. You don't get that kind of service, honestly, anywhere else.
Oh my God. Fill up the air for your tires.
You look like the Grudge.
Okay, now let me do it the other way.
Oh, I feel good.
Oh, let's do a combo of it. Hey, that looks so much better.
Look at this one.
That looks so much better.
Hey! What? What do you want?
Get this on manandtonic.com right now, and you can blow all your friends' hairs off. What are you doing? Why are you putting tape like that? Don't do what you're gonna think you're gonna do.
No,
You're gonna bundle the whole thing?
no. I don't want to scratch the paint, but
What do you mean? The flare comes until here, no?
no, got more the way here.
Why do you gotta cry like a little?
I take it off, so I want to put wrap. I want to put wrap better.
All right, guys, we are back in the Luis Bay, which is the slowest bay at the shop. Over here, we are going to be test fitting a wide body kit again on a Urus. This is a Performante, and it is number 7 or 8 from, actually probably number 10 of the Urus Performante wide body kits. He's gonna test fit it. Even though we've done so many of them and the kit is good, we still have to test fit before we do any painting because we don't want to go back. There's a slight little differences here and there with molds and body kits. He's gonna test fit it. He's taping it, protecting it right now. Test fit it. This is a gorgeous white color, and I'm very excited for that because white on carbon and black looks amazing. He's also doing some new set of RDB wheels that we haven't made before. So that design is already done, and then the wheels are being made. Very, very special, cool looking wheels are gonna go on this thing. We're gonna do 23-inch, just like the factory, because he wants to retain the Pirelli tires, the factory tires, or else, you know, 24s is the way to go on that. This is gonna look great. Stock exposed carbon hood, which is hard to get, so he's gonna leave that. The really, really cool thing about the Performantes is it's actually cheaper to wide body this car than the older Urus and the Urus S. Hit us up for a quote, because honestly, the pricing is not bad to get such a drastic change in your Urus. Obviously, we all know wide bodies make it so much better, but contact us, and we have these kits in stock, literally, so the wait time is very minimal. We knock these out in 1 to 2 weeks, and they look insane, honestly. It's such a nice looking kit. This is for the other side. Carbon. It has the parking sensor hole that we have to cut out, do a nice job. Front lower lip, all that stuff. So hit us up for your wide body conversion. All right, ladies and gents, we got a unfortunate Ferrari SF90 accident. Customer just ran over some cones and damaged the front of the car. So car came in today. He's going through insurance, because that's why he got insurance. And insurance takes a few days for them to kind of catch up to the claim and then come and possibly inspect the car. But right now we are calling the dealer to get part prices already. We're going to try to find out about, you know, timing, because we want to update the customer and let them know, hey, this hood might be on back order, could be 3 months out, or hey, we're gonna try to find it from another Ferrari place or something. So we have a lot of research to do when these kind of cars come in. They're not your typical, you know, Toyotas and Kias and even, you know, the regular cars out there. These cars, everything in carbon fiber is usually on back order. And the SF90, I mean, the whole front end is carbon fiber on this car. So a lot to do to fix this, but nothing mechanically got injured. Structure's great. It's just literally body replacement and paint. So we're gonna be doing all that work on this, but we have a lot of high-end cars in accidents lately, and you gotta go to the shop that really pays attention to the detail and knows these cars inside and out, so you can get it repaired efficiently. The talk of the weekend was the new Bugatti, the Tourbillon. A lot of you guys saw me drive the first one on my Instagram. It has gull-wing doors, which we don't see on Bugattis.
Fuck, man.
1800 horsepower, so no more turbo for Bugatti. I mean, I used to love the Veyron, how it sounds like an airplane, but this is going to be entirely different. Like, how fast is that screen going to break?
That's a lot of money, man, for a car.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.